What we do is we acquire undeveloped land below market value, specifically in opportunity zones. Everything that we do is in an opportunity zone, so we don't have a lot of compliance issues when it comes to testing. So we have a 25% minimum premium on our project cost. So that's just built into our budget, and that is how we realize a profit as developers. We use a maximum of 65% leverage on our projects, on our deals. We actually obtain those debt arrangements ourselves. We're using our own credit, we're using our own background, our own track record, those things, our own relationships to get the leverage. So the fund covers 35% of the equity, and we cover the other 65% through our debt partners. And I'll show some examples of some deals after this. And we do for sale housing only as the fund. Our goal is to create homeowners and not renters. We see a lot of models going into the rental aspect. We even see a lot of subdivisions being built now, built to rent. And we believe strongly that land ownership, real estate ownership, is a pillar of generational wealth. Most people's wealth, the vast majority of it is tied up in equity in a property. So we believe that that's important to kind of close the wealth gap and kind of build on that diversity and equality situation. All of our buyer financing is backed by federal government programs. What this does is kind of alleviate some risk regarding our buyers being able to be financed. Everything that we have can go via some form of a program that exists with the government. So that is how we're getting these financed. We also have relationships with other organizations like Invest Atlanta and others that offer down payment assistance to our buyers so they can get some assistance in order to become homeowners. And we pre-sell all of our units through our broker partners. We're specifically working with Keller Williams and discussing things with Harry Norman now, but everything that we have is pretty much listed on the MLS and pre-sold, and at this point we have way more demand than we could supply housing for. I believe that we had somewhere around 1,000 LOIs at the beginning of this this year on our project, so we have a wait list that extends, way further than what we could possibly supply.